In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to update your device, your iPhone device to the latest iOS 26. So guys, if you want to upgrade or update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26, this video is actually for you. To do this, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to settings on my iPhone. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to look closely. You're going to see something like update to iOS 26.3. So I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will take you to this iPhone software update page. So let's wait for that to actually load up our update. As you can see, guys, it says update now or update tonight. It says if you select update tonight, iPhone will try to update when the device is locked and the battery has enough charge. So guys, as you can see, it is asking me now to update to iOS 26.3. If I want to do it, I will just tap on update now and this device will be updated to the latest iOS 26.3. So guys, this is how you can actually update your iPhone device to the latest iOS 26.3. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.